What I wish I knew about the Brachiosaurus when I was a kid would have blown my mind. This colossal creature was as tall as a five-story building. Imagine spotting one of these gentle giants munching on treetops. With a neck longer than a school bus, the Brachiosaurus could reach heights other dinos only dreamed of. And get this, their nostrils were on top of their heads. Scientists think it helped them breathe easier while foraging. Talk about a dino with style. So, next time you think of dinosaurs, give a nod to the Brachiosaurus, the skyscraper of the Jurassic era. Stay curious, dino fans.